concrete socks and iron shoes make it hard for you to move. Slow your groove down to a snooze. Remind you that our hearts do not break, they bruise. Will make you sing the blues when she leaves in different hues of confused. Have you feeling like you have nothing to lose and abuse the avenues that she and you use to diffuse that melancholy madness. The things that once amused, the things that made it easy. You'd coast through the cruise through the storms that blew together you. Well, I would say that I was face down at the shoes of my muse. I couldn't function when she left me like I had blown a fuse. At one point I placed my sorrows in a heart-shaped canoe that made it float down a road river of booze. Tried to steal my heart until it oozed bad news, in hope she liberated or enslave it like a coup. Boo, who knew that we would separate? We grew through way tougher battles, no clue. The brave but unraveled from a tackle so gentle. Who knew that something so trivial could pierce through the glue that bonded me and you? At times sparks flew, baby, I miss you dearly. My dear, can we renew? Wipe the slate clean, work it through, then review. Construe the misconstrue, baby, the hatchet and the feud. My apologies, I didn't mean to drift, but there's a hole in my chest, more like a rift that once held a gift that used to beat so swift. Now that gift slumps heavy from the rift, hard to lift. Love will make you sift through your memories, make you pass a remedy, render any hopes of moving past it, past entropy. Make the one you love and held close your worst enemy. Make those same memories disease and eventually break you down mentally. Simply making it impossible to move through the density, essentially make you ache physically, literally. The only cure is time. Friends will offer you their sympathy, but empathy will never be enough. Love will make you seek clemency. Eventually those memories will usher in misery, reopen injuries that heal due to victories. You'll be in disbelief because the past is not history. Love can make you feel alive in ways that make you pray for your demise. Love will pull the truth right from your eyes. No way to mask the pain, no disguise. Love affects the ignorant and the wise in the very same way. Will be the reason for your cries. Will break you and your ego down to size and paralyze your ability to move forward and rise. Sugar, I apologize to poems to the sky in hopes your love for me will return like fireflies to the summer in your heart. Beat sparks into inferno, and I hope to make these wishes internal, external. But that would be infernal. We could never force the feeling. My dear, you have moved on and I am still here healing. Heartbeat reeling, I'm kneeling. My heartbeat is screaming out, I'm pleading with the ceiling. Sometimes I dread dreaming as much as the antithesis to sleeping. For when I am awake, I feel the quakes of you leaving. When I slumber, you return, and when I rise, I'm weeping. Love will make you seek the things that once made you appealing, torment you through the pictures where your pearly whites are gleaming. But the past is the past. I'm awake, the aches are dreaming, are leaking from my retinas, fleeting. My sanity is fleeting in reverses. Curse of love could be rewarding and redeeming. Baby girl, I am grateful for our meeting. We shine like a beacon, you and I, we were one. Now the light's on, it's bright due to the fact that you were done, but I am still shining. I want another run. We've learned from our mistakes, we've grown since we begun. So even though love hurts, I'll be waiting for your call. I'd rather have had love than to never loved at all.